If love was a pomegranate, I'd want to grow so red I'd color the entire planet.
If joy was a tangerine, I'd want my peel to be the orgiest you've ever seen.
If peace was a pear, Lord, make me juicy and delish would be my prayer. Holy Spirit, grow your fruit in me. Your fruit is love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control. Love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control.
If patience was a plum, I'd want to ripen until purple I become.
If kindness was a banana, I'd want to be a bunch as massive as Montana.
If goodness was a cherry, a yummy pie to all my neighbors I would carry.
Holy Spirit, grow your fruit in me. Your fruit is love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control. Love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control. If faithfulness was a watermelon, I'd be so luscious, juicy, green, and big enough to dwell in.
If gentleness was a kiwi, the Lord would peel my pepper and skin so I'd be squishy.
If self-control was an apple, I'd want to turn all red and shiny in a snapple. Holy Spirit, grow your fruit in me. Your fruit is love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control. Love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control.
Bawat bata may tanong,
Ba't ganito? Ba't ganon?
hayaang buksan ang isipan.
Sa science o agham, tayo na sa siniskwela. Tuklasin natin ang siyensya.
Buksan ang pag-iisip.
Tayo'y likas na scientist. Tayo na sa siniskwela. Tuklasin natin ang siyensya. Kinabukasan ng ating bayan, siguradong makakamtan. Sa daigdig ng agham, tuklasin ang kaalaman. Halina't lumipad sa daigdig ng isipan. Tayo na sa siniskwela. Hindi mo ba napapansin? Mga bulaklak ay magkakawangis, mga dahon ay magkakahugis. Hindi mo ba naitatanong? Ba'y may ayos na sinusundan? Sa math ninyo yan malalaman. Halina't sumama na kayo, maglakbay, mag-enjoy, maglaro. Tuklasin ang math sa buhay natin. Dali lang